Hey eBay sellers, it's Suzanne and I'm back with another burning eBay question. The question this time is from Paula and she asked, I recently shipped a package through Pirate Ship. I still see a final value fee for shipping even though I didn't ship using the eBay workflow. Can eBay do that? Oh, absolutely. Yeah. What you're paying there is the shipping, the final value fees on the shipping, regardless of how you ship it. eBay's fees on shipping have nothing to do with what carrier you used or if the item was shipped using their label printing platform. This is to prevent circumventing fees when sellers offer an item for a very low price but with a very high shipping fee, such as 99 cents for the item and $100 for shipping. This was a real problem years ago, and this is what eBay came up with to stop that, was to charge for both the price of the item and the shipping. You charge your final value fees on that. So eBay tried to put a stop to that by charging final value fees on the total amount the customer is paying. So there are still sellers out there that do this, that have like $1 on their item and $50 shipping, and they're just uninformed. They don't realize they're going to be charged a fee on all of it, the total amount the customer pays. So if you for some reason don't want to print your label through the eBay label printing platform, that's fine. You're not going to get the discount, but you're still going to have to pay the final value fee on the total amount of the sale. So if you're newer and you didn't realize that, that's what it is. That's eBay's way of trying to keep people from circumventing fees, because it's not fair if you sell something for 99 cents and then charge $100 shipping. That's gaming the system, and that's not fair to the rest of us that do it the right way. I have the link to the eBay Fee Avoidance Policy information below the video, but I'll go ahead and read it to you in case you're doing something else and want to listen instead of reading it yourself. It says, avoiding eBay fees is not allowed, whether intentional or not. Sellers attempting to avoid eBay fees create risk for themselves and a poor experience for the buyers. Examples of avoiding fees include making offers to buy or sell outside of eBay, requiring the buyer to make additional purchases, or charging excessive shipping fees. What is the policy? Sellers are prohibited from activities that avoid eBay fees, intentionally or not. This includes making offers to buy or sell outside of eBay, linking or promoting sites, items, or catalogs that can be used to order items outside of eBay, requiring a buyer to make additional purchases or agree to terms outside of the listing, canceling bids or ending a listing early because the desired price has not been met, charging excessive shipping and additional fees not already included in the price of the item, or passing seller fees on to the buyer, changing a listing duration more than 2 hours after submitting the listing, misusing the reserve price feature in a listing, listing items outside of the correct category, falsely reporting unpaid items or refusing payment at the end of a successful transaction, changing the information in a listing to sell a different item instead of listing a new item, selling completely different brands, models, or types of items as choice listings, such as selling different brands or models of an iPhone, like a 6 and a 7 in the same listing. You can tell how old this is because it's talking about iPhone 6 and 7. Selling items with different conditions, such as new and used. So if you have a multi-quantity listing and you're mixing up what's in there and it's not apples to apples, then that's not allowed. Sellers are responsible for paying fees for all sales made using some or all eBay services, even if the sale terms are finalized or payment is made outside of eBay. Sellers are also responsible for final value fees if they offer or reference their contact information or ask for a buyer's contact information in the context of buying or selling outside of eBay, even if the item does not sell on eBay. So that's about finding your customer on eBay and then not completing the transaction through eBay and paying eBay fees because you wouldn't have found that buyer without eBay, but then you sneak off behind the scenes in a back alley and do the transaction and collect the money that way. And finally, activity that doesn't follow eBay policy could result in a range of actions, including administratively ending or canceling listings, hiding or demoting all listings from search results, lower seller rating, buying or selling restrictions, and account suspension. All fees paid or payable in relation to listings or accounts on which we take any action will not be refunded or otherwise credited to your account. Why does eBay have this policy? eBay's answer is, this policy protects buyers and sellers from purchases that aren't eligible for eBay services such as the money-back guarantee. So that's all there for you if you would like to read it. Okay, thanks so much for watching, and feel free to submit your burning questions either in the comments below or you can send me an email. Thanks so much for watching and have a profitable and productive day on eBay. Bye.